Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you how to use the Canva AI to create eye-catching presentations with an easy prompt. As you can see, this presentation is pretty nice, and this one was fully done with a very short, very easy prompt in a Canva. I just made a small adjustment in the color, but I will show you this one also during the tutorial how to do it. And other than this presentation was fully done with AI. So I will show you in this tutorial how to use it and how to do it. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, as you can see, I'm going back to the Canva page, Canva homepage, and even just now, just going back to the proper Canva homepage. So here we have this Canva AI feature. As you can see, this box is already extended, and what we want to do, design for me. And if I open it, I have other options like here, presentation. So as you can see now, it's filtered. I have the filters here, the design for me and the presentation. And now I just have to add a small prompt. Create a You see, this is a pretty easy improved, and my boss adding and changed. For sure I made a typo. Yeah, okay, I just quickly correct it and click on generate. And now the Canva will generate actually two different presentations for us, and we can choose which one we would like to use it. This is also a pretty nice feature to have more than one options, and we can choose which one is better for us. Of course, we can open both, and in this case, actually was the only two. No, sorry, it's actually four. That was my bad. You can see only two in the main page. Then now I will choose this one. And here, as I mentioned, here is the color option, so I can change the colors if I want. And even if I click more than once in a same color palette, the color scheme will change, but based on that color palette what I have now. No, this one was better. So, and if you would like to edit, we just have to click on the use Canva editor, and the presentation will be opened in a Canva editor. And as you can see, I just open it. Even the animations is also added automatically, which is also pretty nice. And it's really amazing how this AI can generate this very basic presentation for us. And as you can see, also they made some graphs, but without a proper naming. And even created the last page with the email, social media, phone number. So it's also a pretty nice from the Canva. And If I close this, of course, I can open, maybe let me open this blue one. Yeah, this is really nice, very, looks very technological with this color scheme. And also open this one. This is pretty modern. This one I really like it. As you can see, the technology improvement is also mobile usage growth. This is very nice. Future trends, timeline for technology. Yeah, again. But this one doesn't have like this last page like here. But the good thing, we can combine the whole thing. Like if we let add this one, I just copy and just paste, sorry. And this one I can delete. It's already here, and of course I can make the changes if I want, change the font types and colors, everything. We have to do it, but still it's a really amazing pretty amazing I can say copy style, and here just pasting. Even the style was copied, so I have a style from the other page. So that's also this copy style function is working, and it's also amazing to have it just the AI generate 4 different presentations for us, and we can open all 4 and actually mixing them, which is pretty nice to move one page from other. And even with this copying the style, we do not have to do anything, just changing a style from one to the other. Or if you would like to change anything on a presentation, of course we can do it. This is also a pretty amazing thing in this AI part. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva, and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image generation prompts for different kind of AI applications. So if you are interested on that area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find the link in the description. And in the description, you can also find the link of my new Instagram and TikTok page, where you can find lots of short tutorials. So please feel free to check them also. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.